the background noise is just going to be annoying, so please don't exit the video. Please, 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 please. Wait, I'm going to have to go on my noob account.
Why?
Why? I don't want people seeing my actual password on my Uber VIP. This is my noob account.
No, do that.
Yeah, there's going to be lots of background noises. I'm at
Tell me again.
Wait,
What
no,
does a
that's not it.
spectator do?
That was
They
at
just
my...
look.
I don't even know why I tapped A. I don't know why. Why would I even think about tapping A? It's like, does nothing. Howling Mount. What?
Did you start yet?
Dang it, no VIP. I'm so used to VIP.
Oh my God! Can these guys be quiet? Oh my days! Oh my!
How much item data?
Most embarrassing YouTube video of all
How
time.
much item data?
Are you kidding me now?
Are you making a YouTube video now?
Now.
Like right now?
Now.
So I'm talking in it?
Yes.
Really?
If you say something trash, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you, but I'm gonna destroy you. Dude, I'm gonna go on Skywars and like kill you every single time you join it. So, are you videotaping that? Yes, I'm videotaping the whole screen and the volume and the voices. Oh my! I'm gonna name this video "Hanging with Newbies." You are one. How am I a noob? Noob. You're nasty.
Your name is Jaden.
I am. My cover's big.
Bob.
Why little kids? Why little kids?
My name is Bob. Bob Juna.
What? Dude, this guy just... Okay, as you can see right there, whenever people leave with VIP Plus, they die and they drop it. Now, I bet Raven's gonna go and grab
As
it.
you can see.
If I can grab it, I'm gonna...
Bob
Dang it, she's
Jr.
looking at it.
Ooh, I made a gymnastic routine.
Oh! You're a boy and you have a gymnastics routine?
Oh my God.
No.
No, just kidding.
Hey, what's your name?
Except I do gymnastics.
Natalie?
Okay, watch. Angel. Look. Okay, so I do a 2-hand cartwheel, a 1-hand cartwheel, handstand, and then I do another handstand, and my friend. Here, look. 2 people do it. My friend.
Yeah,
and
it's right,
me.
because I am recording, buddy.
So then we do
Nikki 2000.
2-hand. So then we do 2-hand cartwheel.
Too bad you can't come in the room.
Cartwheel, a handstand, and then I do a handstand.
I will never do a video like this loud again.
She
Please
does
like
a
and
handstand.
subscribe.
After this video, I don't think you want to. No, I take it back.
Okay, got it. Now you have to be
These guys talk
You have to be.
Insane.
Now come on, do it with me. No. First 2-hand cartwheel.
Soy hacker. Ooh, that's bad. You gotta report him. Joking.
Where they go?
I don't know.
Angel? Lock the door! Okay, Angel, look.
Dang it! I took the VIP Plus. I should have known better.
It's too little.
I'm on SG36, so if you have time, like make the server,
Come
join
down the
it.
basement for 1 second, Angel.
Sometimes I'll be there around like 3 or
Open the
something.
door. Angel, come down the basement for
Oh yeah.
Open the door. They one coming.
Open the door,
Oh no, if I die, I'm gonna have to do 1 Skywars and I'm done. I can't die right here. Watch it! Help!
Dude, no!
Who am I kidding? What's a gold sword gonna do? I hate you, Grace. A 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 360. Dang it. If this Skywars goes wrong, I'm gonna have to end it here, sorry guys. the sound is the worst. I bet you're all at your houses like, what? Who cut out all the lights? Come on!
It's not scary. My mom turned it on.
Dude, I was joking.
I'm going in here. Who wants to join me?
What do you guys even? Really? How's this?
Stop.
No. Are you for real? If this bleed doesn't work, I'm gonna. Yeah. Super loud. Newbies around me. I'm gonna try and win this just for you. Foxy. Wee, 360. Oh yeah, I did that legit 360.
Just come here.
Why did I choose the kids room? Why?
It's so dark. Oh, Lord. I like the dark. Nathan. I like the dark.
Wow, it's like pitch black.
Yeah, because then we could sit in some food.
Why you turn up? Where they go?
How is that even possible? Oh yeah, glitches. Are you kidding me? You're gonna let me move?
Đây, quay Nathan, quay Nathan. Quay Nathan. Rachel, quay Nathan. Outside.
Dude, how is this guy flying? No.
Guys, where's me?
Yeah.
Where's me?
If I don't win this, I'm gonna be devastated.
I'm gonna lay on you guys.
Who else is he? Oh yeah. Ending the video here. Like a boss. Like, subscribe, comment. Not really comment. Peace.